Guys, I've closed from work, so I'm going home.
There's not much to do when all I can.
Guys, I've closed from work, so I'm going home. I have a lot of things to do. So today's vlog will be what I do after a night shift. Let's go home. I'm home sweet home. Let's get to work. I wanted to prepare this food I saw online. Then I took all the ingredients that I'll need out. I bathed and did my skincare. I'm using my beauty formula toner to clean my face. I'm moving on to the vitamin C serum. I'm going to take my face fat eye cream. I'm going in with my Dove Nourishing Body Cream. I take about this much. I'll keep pressing in until it dissolves. After, I'll go into my recovery oil. This is it. I just poured it into this container. That is it for my skincare. Now I'm going to sleep. So I did sleep for a while, and I remembered that I had to create a makeup content, so I proceeded to set up for the makeup. This is the chaos that I created. I just finished hanging the things on the drying rack. I got this food from a friend and have to eat it before I go to work, so I decided not to do my food again. So I'm going to pack the meat into the fridge so that I'll do it tomorrow. This is gizzard. Divided the meat into two. I'm being late for work and I don't really like it. I then put the meat into the fridge, the one for the food and the one I'm not going to use. So this is the finished look. I'm done with everything. I'm going to clean this off, then bath, then go to work. So see you the next day. Bye. Guys, so I just came back from work. Now freshen up. I'm not going to sleep yet. I have a meeting which is ongoing now. So after the meeting, I think I'll go and sleep. So this is the day 2 of what I do after a night shift. The things are still in my corridor. So I'll quickly go and join the meeting. After that, then I'll find myself a place to sleep. See you. Hi guys. Good morning. I'm leaving work. Today is a busy day. I have a lot of things to do. See you guys. I quickly went to the market after work, had to buy some things for my soup. Then I found this onion seller, which is quite inexpensive. I'm done with the market. I'm in a car about to go. I'm home now. Let's get to it. I'm just tired, but I have a meeting too, which means I have to combine the two. So guys, I'm going to divide the meat into two. Let's boil the meat. So I was boiling the meat that I'll fry, and this is the soup that I did. Now I'm frying the meat. Now let's make the stew. I'm making a tomato vegetable stew. I like to multitask a lot. I learned this from mommy. She'll be cooking and be doing certain things at the same time. So whilst I was making the stew, I was doing the soup too. So guys, I'm almost done. I still have the meeting going on. I'm listening to them. I have to clear this area out. I want to make some dried ginger powder. I have my ginger here. So I'll see if it's okay for me to dry. I have this mini oven. I'll be using it to dry the things. Spread it across. I'm going to dry it. I've adopted a way of making my ginger so that it doesn't go bad. I use this machine to grind it. I will go into this so that I get them as fine as I want. So I'm going to basically freeze it. So when I need it, I'll use. I got about 3. I still have a lot to do. I have plantain, right? Plantain there. That is it. I'm going to make it all. Guys, ignore that area. So I have a full video on how I made this eto on my channel. I'm going to link it down below, so just enjoy the bit of it. So I'm done with everything. Make the place pretty clean. I have some stuff that I have to wash. I'm going to do it. Today is my last night. So I did wash so that I bathed and went to work. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.